Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a new story from our value education. Are you all ready, children? Yes. Our story name is The Eagle and the Crow. The eagle and the crow. So, children, you all know what is a eagle and a crow, right? It is a bird. Have you seen it? Super. I am showing you the picture of a eagle and a crow. So, can you see, children? Crow and a eagle. Crow will be black in color, right? You all have seen crow. Daily we will see crow. But eagle, we see it very rarely. Yes. It will fly up. It will not fly near us. It will be very high. It will fly very high in the sky. Okay? Yes. Now we are going to see a story on the eagle and the crow. Can we see? Yes. Once there was a big eagle. He used to fly high up in the sky, searching food with his sharp eyes. So, eagle was flying up in the sky and he was seeing for a food. He has very sharp eye, okay? Even it flies very high, it can see what is there in the ground with his sharp eyes. Sharp means the eyes can see a very long distance, okay? Then what happened? One day, while searching food, the eagle saw a rat. So, the eagle saw a rat. The eagle at once pounced upon the rat from the above and took it away to eat. So, what did the eagle do? It jumped, it pounced and catch the rat. Okay, it was flying very high, but it came very fast and took the rat and it went away to eat. Okay, then what happened? A crow was sitting on the branch of the tree. So, what was there? Crow was sitting on the branch. He saw the eagle with awe. Oh, what a great feat! So, crow was like very surprised to see. It was seeing like, oh my god, how did it catch? Like that, the crow was seeing. The eagle is so strong. The eagle is so strong. Like a hero, he picked up the rat to eat. So, what did it do? The eagle picked the rat like a hero. The crow was thinking the eagle is a hero. Even I must do so. Crow was thinking what he was thinking. He was thinking that he should also do the same. What happened then? Just then the crow saw another rat on the ground below. So crow also saw a rat. So what happened next? He thought, yes, this is my moment. I must do what the eagle did. Then even I will look like a hero. What happened? The crow thought he should also do what the eagle did. What did the eagle did? It came very fast from the sky and took the rat and went away. No, he was like a hero, right? Crow thought, I should also do this and I should also become a hero. What happened? Thinking so, the crow came down at the great speed. It came down like how the eagle came. And then, however, the crow missed the rat, instead dashed ahead on a big rock. It came very fast, but the crow couldn't catch the rat. It got hit on a big rock. It got hit on the big rock and the crow's head broke and died. He died into pieces. So, what happened? The crow tried to be like a hero and he missed the rat and he got dash on a rock and his head got broken and he died. So, from the story, what we come to know? We should not copy others. We should do whatever we know. Okay? You should do whatever you know. You should not copy. Okay? Yes? So, the moral of the story, do not copy what others do. Okay? Children, if your friend is jumping from a table, you should not copy that. Jumping from a table is a wrong habit and you should not do that, right? If you copy and if you do, you might get hurt. So you should not do what others do. Okay? You should not copy others. You should not copy. Okay? Yes. So don't copy. Okay? Be as you are. Okay? Yes. So I hope you all enjoyed today's story, right? I will meet you in the next class with another story. Okay, children? Till then, take care and be safe at home. Thank you. Sai Ram.